Welcome again. Once more we realized a new project based on our new app which we would like to explain to you with this video. At the beginning of 2023, in order to improve capacity and flexibility, we have re-evaluated our entire product catalog and introduced our new product numbering system. With this new system, the gloss value of the respective product and the product group, as well as the application process for which this product was developed, can be read out on the basis of a logical key. Of course, we made sure all the formulations of our product remained unchanged. So, to simplify the conversion process from old numbers to new ones in the best possible way, we created our new service app. But that's not all. It was also designed to provide a considerable benefit for our calculation and ordering process. In order to convert our old product numbers into the new ones, we integrated a product number converter into the app. By simply typing in an old number, it will show the desired product with all its information, including its new product number, its name, and even its product class. It also knows all of our product types. Because of that, a different page will show up specifically adapted to the given product. And of course, the products can also be displayed by already using one of our new product numbers. We also incorporated our already known and well-established coding calculator into the app. Even better, we greatly expanded its range of functions. Unlike the previous version, in addition to coding calculation, this one is able to fully calculate print coatings, as well as the required pigments quantities for pigment coatings. Handling it, as usual, is very simple and user-friendly. Clicking one of the three option buttons for varnish, pigment, or print varnish opens up a corresponding calculation area. There, users are then able to insert a product number, which will trigger the converter's embedded functionality to display the desired product. After choosing one of our anti-locks rollers, all the needed quantities will automatically be calculated and presented in the provided fields below. Furthermore, incorrect or non-existent product numbers will now automatically be filtered by the calculator. To go even further, to simplify the planning process of our customers in the best possible way, we went the extra mile and categorized all of our pigments. This means that our customers are now able to receive a warning as soon as their selected anti-locks roller does not match their selected pigment. Additionally, all the required data sheets and certificates can be ordered at the same time. Even prices can be calculated exemplarily. And if that's not great enough already, the new coding calculator also includes the functionality to calculate twin and hybrid print varnishes. Another essential topic we had was to make the conversation process between our customers and our service workers as simple as possible. To do so, we designed a page specifically to get in direct contact with our local and personal technical service and support. Starting at the top, it offers the possibility to select one or more of our product classes, through which the customer signalizes that he would like to receive more information about. In case he already used the converter, the converted products class will automatically be extracted and filled in by the app. Options to select desired technical and safety data sheets, as well as the certificates, are provided below. Proceeding further, all the needed contact details that are needed to get in touch can be entered in the presented fields. And without a doubt, we of course made sure that all data that is processed is GDPR compliant and is not stored on servers in any way. A summary about all the converted varnishes, pigments, and print varnishes, as well as their calculated results and needed data sheets, provides a final overview before moving on to reach the local service worker. Based on the given contact information, the worker assigned to the operational area is automatically determined and displayed in an extra area at the bottom of the page. To complete the picture, we also added a Create Email button as well. Clicking on it will open the customer's currently used mail system and generate a full email containing all the needed information for his assigned service worker that was collected throughout the app. Naturally, we made sure to make it possible to check and edit the mail before finally sending it. With this new functionality, we made it as easy as possible for our service workers to provide immediate information on the submitted request, and additionally saved productive time of our customers. To further maintain a comprehensive overview of all our product categories, we've decided to deploy a new product finder into the app. In this page, all of our classes have been categorized and are presented in an organized list. Additionally, all of them can be filtered inside an extra panel according to their base, application method, and the product for which the varnish is intended. Choosing one or multiple filter options will adjust all of the classes accordingly. The ones not meeting the conditions will be sorted out and be removed from the list. Moreover, every one of the classes is also represented by a button that, by clicking on it, will link to our product catalog. Arrived there, users are able to see and receive explicit information about the class they clicked on, such like the application methods, the products the varnish can be used on, and its identification numbers. To give the best feeling when using this page, we added the functionality that each product can also be saved and transferred by clicking on a simple button. After doing so, the next time when visiting the support page, the class will already be selected inside the shown field at the top. Last but not least, we wanted to provide our customers with global information on important topics, such as the explanation of our abbreviations and more. For this purpose, an information page has been added to the app, where various topics can be searched and looked up. So in conclusion, we are really happy with the end result, and hope that the app will support and benefit our customers in the most efficient way. We see it as a very strong and useful extension to our familiar and proven service offer. Currently, the new service app is available in the German and English languages, as an iOS app for Apple iPhones, iPads and Silicon Macs, as an Android app for Android smartphones and tablets, and as a web app and browser version. Other languages and platforms will follow shortly. Please contact your personal advisor from our technical sales and support team, our headquarters, or one of our distribution partners for additional information. Further information can also be found on our website at www.weilburger.com. And as always, please don't miss to like and follow us on our social media channels. Thanks for watching.